Hi, kids. Today, I want to draw a mouse. And not just any mouse, the most famous mouse in the whole wide world. I found a picture from his very first movie, before he became a really big star. And I'm going to draw him. Back then, he was always in black and white. This one is not easy. It might require some practice. I've been drawing him regularly for a while. So if you find I'm going too fast, you can pause the video and even rewind if you need. Here we go. Alrighty, this one has lots of details, so listen up. I do a big circle for his face, and then I give him his signature smile, and put a little tiny nose at the top there. And then he has tiny little eyes here. Put a little contour around his head, and then we'll start with the ears. Big circles. Everybody knows the circles. And we'll give him a hat. Looks like this. His other ear back here. Okay, and now draw his arms and his hands that are steering the boat. And now we're going to do his pants. Just like that. Alright, and he has buttons on his pants. So we got to draw those. Okay, and his legs. Now his legs are tiny and his feet are big. He just likes big shoes. So, just like that, nice big round feet. And his little mouse tail. Okay, and now we're gonna draw the wheel. We draw a big oval. And then we follow it up with another oval inside. And then one more oval. Just like that. Now, I draw little pegs everywhere. Try to make it very symmetrical. Okay, now we're gonna start filling him in. All the dark spots here. His arms, his legs. Perfect! There, I have to admit, I'm super happy with it. It's my best drawing yet. And next time, maybe I'll draw his friend. She's really fun too. See you soon.